For small and large businesses alike, inventory chaos doesn't just waste time, it drains your cash flow and costs you customers you can't afford to lose. There is a cure for inventory chaos. Fishbowl is real inventory control made for real, everyday businesses. Whether you're a growing e-commerce shop or a serious manufacturer managing multiple warehouses, Fishbowl eliminates inventory chaos and helps you scale.
Now we can easily track inventory levels, we can track sales reports. We are able to run on less manpower and be more efficient.
With Fishbowl, you get seamless integrations, real-time tracking, custom reporting, and even a mobile app with barcode scanning, which sounds like this. Beep! Forbes, Newsweek, and countless customer reviews call us the best inventory solution for QuickBooks users, and we're the top-rated inventory solution on Xero's App Store. When inventory moves in and out, Fishbowl and your connected accounting software are automatically updated, giving you insights into true landed cost and cash flow impact. But we can't promise it will help Carl. Just kidding, Carl.
Now we have more time to be making product or doing other parts of our job versus actually overseeing every aspect of production.
From manufacturing bill of materials and tracking e-commerce orders to shipping rate negotiations and knowing the true cost of everything you produce, you can do it all in Fishbowl. You'll know exactly what you have, where everything is, and which orders need fulfilling, all managed in one tool. Even Carl will like it. Look how happy it makes him. Keep up with orders across all your channels. Have the numbers on your side. Know what you have and where. Take control of your inventory chaos today. Talk to one of our experts right now and discover how Fishbowl can simplify your inventory control.